An organization in Chicago's Chinatown neighborhood is hoping to break the stigma surrounding mental health and says over the years it has seen an increase in the number of people in the Chinese American community reaching out for that help.
NBC5's Nguyen reports as part of our coverage for Asian American, Native Hawaiian, and Pacific Islander Heritage Month.
Immigrated from China to Chicago, this woman who didn't want to be identified says she was fighting a secret battle.
There
was a time that she felt really chaos and she does not know what's her direction.
The 29-year-old told NBC5 through an interpreter she was struggling with her mental health and fearing the worst given the stigma in her culture.
She didn't want to talk about all these kind of things with her family as well. She also, feel like it's kind of like shameful to talk about that.
But she found the courage to reach out for help. She's now one of 60 clients receiving mental health services, including counseling and therapy, at the Chinese American Service League in Chinatown, and says had it not been for the support, she wouldn't be here today.
She previously felt there was a lot of fog, and now she's being more clear about the direction of her life.
Castle expanded its mental health services last year to reach even more people and says right now there's a waiting list and a need for more social workers who speak Cantonese.
But I'm seeing more and more people reaching out, and I'm feeling my work is, valuable.
Jin Sao Tan is a licensed social worker and runs one of the programs here.
I've seen a lot of people reaching out to talk about their family dynamics, family conflicts. We have some younger adults and talk about their academics, stress, and also a lot of emerging adulthood. We're talking about identity issues, gender identity issues.
She and her colleagues through advocacy work say they're trying to break the stigma of mental health and letting people know that reaching out is not a sign of weakness.
I think more and more younger generation especially are more willing to talk about that.
Since launching its behavioral and clinical services in 2021, Castle says it has helped more than 200 people in Chinatown. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, suicide is the leading cause of death among Asians between the ages of 15 and 24. For this woman who was once afraid, she hopes that by sharing her story, it could help save a life.
The message she wanted to convey is that mental health is really important, and then she felt like talking to people actually heals her.
In Chinatown, V1 NBC5 News.
Mental health is very, very important. Our thanks to V for that report.